Here we are at unit 307, going to scope the laterals. We'll start at 307 and work our way back to 301. I'm entering through the cleanout to the east of the house in the driveway. I'll scope up towards the house to verify all cast iron concrete pipe is removed. Here we are going upstream into the house. Transitioning to 3-inch ABS. All cast iron concrete verified removed. I'll scope down to the main line. And here we are at the 6-inch. Pause the video, and we'll resume back at 306. Okay. Here we are at unit 306, entering through a 4-inch cleanout to the west of the house, side door there. I'm going to scope up in towards the house to verify all concrete and cast irons removed. And here we are at the 3-inch ABS transition into the house. I'll pull back and go downstream towards the 6-inch main. This is a long open trench service from the west side of the house around to the east. Trying to get a clearer picture. I'm going to turn some water on so I can get some of this stuff worked off my lens. There we go. I'm going to turn the water off now. I'll proceed with the video. And here we are at the 6-inch. I'll pause the video and resume video at unit 305. And here we are at sorry about that, unit 306, entering through a 4-inch cleanout off the west side of the house. There's a driveway right there. I'll scope up in towards the house to verify concrete cast irons removed. Here's your 3-inch transition into the house. I will scope downstream now into the 6-inch. And here we are at the 6-inch HDPE. I'll pause the video and resume at unit 304. Here we are at unit 304, entering through a 4-inch cleanout on the east side of the house, right off the front entry. I'll scope up towards the house to verify all cast iron concrete pipe is removed. And here we are at the 3-inch transition at the house. I'll turn around and scope towards the 6-inch main. And here we are at the 6-inch main. I'll pause the video and resume at unit 303. Here we are at unit 303 cleanout, just off the west side of the house. There's the front entry down here to the cleanout. We are right next to the house. It's ABS coming out. No reason to scope into the house to verify. Okay, here we go. My lens is a little dirty. I'll get it washed off in the main and do a pull back so you guys can get a better look at what's going on here. Okay, lens is clean. I will pull back to the clean out. I'll pause the video and resume at unit 302. Here we are at unit 302, entering through a 3-inch ABS cleanout on the southwest corner of the house. There is the front entry. Here's your cleanout. Cleanout is less than a foot away from the house. No need to scope up line to verify it's an ABS run from outside of the house. Here we are at the 6-inch line. I will pause the video and resume at unit 301. Here we are at the unit 301 4-inch clean out on the west side of the house. There's the side door right here to the clean out. East side of the house. I will scope up to verify all cast iron and concrete is removed. Here we are at the house at the 3-inch transition. I will now scope down to the 6-inch. And here we are coming into the 6-inch line. We'll drop in just so you can see 6-inch HDPE. And this will conclude the video of the sewer services to the 300 block.